Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 131 Mead Street in Byford. This brand new home is located on a beautiful tree-lined street in one of the newer estates of Byford. Boasts quality finishes throughout, from its timber floors, tile floors, high ceilings, stone bench tops. All you're going to have to do is choose the furniture. Plus, the layout leaves you with an office at the front as well. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 131 Mead Street in Byford. As you can see, easy care, easy maintenance. All you have to do is choose your furniture. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.